Inspiration always strikes when you least expect it, as you scramble to search for phone, pen, and paper. It's already slipped away. Now, there's Go. Press it. Start speaking. Key points in a meeting.
Report back for next week.
A melody during your morning run.
There's a breather in my head.
A flash of insight in the study. Release it. Auto saves. Every thought captured right away. Go extends your mind wherever you are. But this is just the beginning. It'll learn your rhythm to propose your daily agenda, turning voice fragments into clear notes. Go's AI organizes and summarizes for you. It can even map your project's emotional journey, revealing the value of your perseverance during the toughest stretches. It's more than a recorder. It's a creative partner that gets you. Retrieve vague memories anytime.
With any other notes in the new project.
Search by meaning, even with fuzzy clues. Go, helping you do today better than yesterday. Compact and ready, it fits into your life. When ideas are never lost, you are free to create more deeply and grow more focused.